Audiobooks.com presents Stay Awhile and Listen, How Two Blizzards Unleashed Diablo and Forged a Video Game Empire, Book 1, by David L. Craddock. Read for you by Mike Rylander. Author's Note: How to Stay a While and Listen More. I accumulated a dragon's hoard of material over 5 years of research and interviews for Stay a While and Listen. So much material, in fact, that I risked cramming chapters so full of information that they became weighty and tangential. Rather than stuff each chapter to excess, I spread content across 3 sections: the main book, side quests, and bonus rounds. Main book. The meat and potatoes of Stay a While and Listen consists of an introduction, 13 chapters, and an epilogue. You can skip the side quests and bonus rounds if you like, but you'll miss out on lots of behind-the-scenes stories and information if you do. Side quests. Side quests collect supplementary material. After each chapter, you may listen to side quest material relevant to information presented in the previous chapter, or skip ahead to the next chapter by pressing the chapter forward button. If you decide to listen to the side quests later, you'll find them using the menu option of your audiobook app. Side quests come in 7 varieties. Level 1. Game developers relate how they went from playing games to making games for a living. Readers who aspire to do the same should take these stories to heart. Bite-sized history. Anecdotes from developers and historical overviews of studios, game hardware, and important figures in the games industry. Game Design 101. Lessons concerning playtesting, storytelling, difficulty, pacing, how visuals and music enhance gameplay, and other areas of game design. Behind the Code. A peek behind the curtain to learn technical details such as implementing features in a game's code and creating art for characters and game levels. Cutting room floor. Game content that was conceptualized or developed but left unused. Sanctuary Speaks. We asked various online communities to submit their most memorable anecdotes related to games covered in Stay a While and Listen. Sanctuary Speaks, Sanctuary being the world where Diablo unfolds, shares those stories. Author's Note: An introduction or explanation that provides a frame of reference for the content that follows the note. Bonus rounds. Bonus rounds are extra chapters that expand on people, events, and games covered in the main book. You can read the bonus rounds whenever you choose, in any order you choose, but they are best absorbed after finishing the main book. However you choose to tackle Stay a While and Listen, I hope you stay a while and enjoy all that the book has to offer. Happy reading. David L. Craddock. Prologue. The Corpse Run. Kelly Johnson, artist, Blizzard North. A lot of the fun of Diablo was going back to get your stuff after you died. It was a challenge knowing, oh man, I can't leave that item behind. It's too good. I've got to go back and get it. It was something that you had to be wary of. There was a lot of risk involved with Diablo. Max Schaefer moved the mouse cursor to the tile just in front of his character and clicked. On the screen, his warrior took 1 step forward across a cavern bordered by lakes of bubbling lava. Just one. That was the best way to move in Diablo, Max knew. Better to inch forward than march brazenly into uncharted territory and wake up the demons lurking in the cave. Max had a good idea of the monsters that lurked on this level. His artists had created many of them. He sent his cursor scouting ahead like a hunting dog. It landed on a treasure chest highlighted in gold. The chest sat just up ahead at the edge of the screen. Max furrowed his brow, thinking.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?